particle moves so that at time t its displacement is s is 1/3 t cubed minus 3t squared plus 8t plus 2I and 1/3 t cubed plus 4t plus 1j. Find times in the subsequent motion when the particle is travelling parallel to j and show that there are no times when the particle travels parallel to I. Now, like the previous examples, I'm going to work in column vector form. So that's going to be 1/3 t cubed minus 3t squared plus 8t plus 2 and 1/3 t cubed plus 4t plus 1. Now we're talking about travelling, so we really want the velocity, so we're going to differentiate. So that is going to give me t squared, take away 6t plus 8 and t squared plus 4. Now, travelling parallel to j means travelling vertically, and that means we have no horizontal component of velocity, and that means that t squared minus 6t plus 8 is equal to 0, which is t minus 4, t minus 2 is equal to 0, giving me t is equal to 4, or t is equal to 2. Travelling this way means no vertical component. Which means that t squared plus 4 is equal to 0, which has no real solutions.